Good morning, everybody. This is Mare from Okey-Dokey Homestead. I just want to update you some to tell you what's going on. I've been out of the picture for a while. We've had so many things happen that I just was not in the mood to be filming. Anyways, let me see if I could catch you up. The last time, I can't remember if I showed you our new extra run that we added to the chickens. There it is. They could come in and out into that cubby hole. And that way, when I'm away from home, I don't have to worry about them not being shut up all day long in the chicken coop. This way they have more room to spread out, and I know that they'll be okay and safe. Now over here, so far nothing else has happened. As you can see, that's all the same. But if we come way over here, let me show you what else has happened on the funny farm here. There we go. There is Louie. He was born a month ago. I was expecting a heifer, but my wishes didn't come true, but that's okay. Look what I got anyway. God gave me a healthy little bull. He's half Dexter, and then of course half Charlet, just like his mama. So that's all doing really good. So we did have some good and we did have some bad. Alrighty, let me continue and show you what else has been happening. Let me turn you around. There we go. There's our Shadow. She likes to bark at things that fly around and stuff. So hopefully a bird won't fly over and we won't see that happen. Okay, the next thing that has happened to us is our drain field. That got plugged up, and on top of everything else that was happening, we had to do that too. So it started over here. We had to dig all that out, then bring it all the way this way, this way, this way, and past Molly there, and over there to where you see that fence we have there. We have some trying to grow some grass without the dogs digging it up and stuff like that. But we had to put 3 100 lines of drain in because our septic tank got, well, not our septic tank, our drain field got crushed somehow or another, and it just wasn't working. So that was another problem we had. Now if I bring you over here, as you could see, there's Shadow. She's chasing a lizard. If we come way over here, you could see our screened in porch. That finally also collapsed on top of everything else. We were hoping that it would last, give us time to do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, but nope. Now, of course, you see it nice and neat now because we finally got it back together. But as you can see, the roof is gone. We had to take all that down because that started collapsing and coming down, and what a mess. So that was another project that happened all of a sudden. And I could bring you now inside and show you some more stuff. There she is, trying to catch a lizard. Alrighty, let's step on inside. Now there, see how it's nice and neat? Well, that's put back together again. I do have some pictures, and maybe if my husband helps me, he could probably show me how to get the pictures up, but boy, it was bad. But that's all taken care of. That's our water heater, our hot water heater. That also went bad on us, and on top of that, it caused a lot of damage to the wood in our house. We had to replace a main beam that was going across the house, which made it 1.5 inches coming down. So it caused a lot of damage inside the house. So, but that's put back together. So far good on that. So let's come on in and go inside the house. And we'll show you the other stuff that has happened. Okay, we're inside the house. I guess it's getting kind of dark. We live in the dark, as my husband says. Okay, so we're back here in the craft room / laundry room. Okay, see the floor? It was going to be just the 4x4 patch. See that little patch right there? We thought that's all we had to fix. Well, we had to pull the carpet back, and we did. And we found it was damaged all the way down there. As you could see, we had to fix that. And oh no, there's the water heater. That's our new one. that we had to replace. Like I said, now we're doing more remodeling than fixing. Everything has gotten fixed, but we're low on our budget now, so we have to wait. But that's okay. The thing is that we got it fixed and no more damage is happening. So there's our new water heater, and see how it goes out that window that you see right there. That goes to the back porch. But there's our new floor for our hot water heater tank, and there's our new water heater. Okay, now let's get you back to the next damage that happened. And this all happened all at one time because of the situation of the house falling down on that one side. So, okay, let there be light. Alrighty, here comes the next damage. Hopefully there's no bugs. Hooray, there's no bugs. Alrighty, here is the shower. That's on the other side of that wall that we just saw. Okay. I don't know if you could see it, but I get it as close as possible. See that crack? When my husband raised the house so it would be equal, you know, it's supposed to be balanced, whatever you want to call that little bubble. Anyway, see how it cracked the floor to the shower? So all that has to be taken out now and redone. And that's okay. We have time. We have patience. God gives us that every day. And then see the floor? All that was damaged. It has dried out now, and my husband believes that we might be able to save it. We're not sure. But right now it's dry. It's staying dry, so we're leaving it alone because, like I said, our budget has reached the max, and we just have to start saving again, and then we'll start fixing again. But anyway, that's the shower. We have to say thank you, God, for not letting the rest of it fall apart. Just the floor. So my husband thinks that won't be too bad of a job. And then if I bring you up to the ceiling, you could see how it was separating? We had no idea that the house, because of that beam being gone, was causing the house to tilt to that side. So look at that. Unbelievable. We just couldn't believe it. But anyway, it's been a lot to take in and a lot to absorb, and we were just overwhelmed. I was overwhelmed, and I just couldn't, just didn't have the heart to film. I lost my oomph there. So, but anyway, I think we're back on track now that we see that we do have some light, that we'll be able to work with what we've got. And now it's just time and patience, and I know we have it. So anyway, that's what's been going on. So I hope everybody out there has had good times, wonderful times. I hope everybody's had many blessings, and everybody take care. I hope to see you soon again with some more recipes that I've been trying, even though I haven't been doing any filming. I've been catching up on the YouTube, and there's been a lot of fermenting recipes that I might try. And there's also kefir milk and kefir water that for some reason it's on my mind to give it a shot to see if maybe with the probiotics it will make us feel better. It will give us maybe a boost, and we'll all get on the right track. So anyway, you guys have a blessed day and hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.